Hello, happy listeners. Today we're going to talk about how to set up your class for WordPress.com, which is a blog. Now I'm going to assume that you already have a WordPress account, and so I'm just going to start from the dashboard. First thing I want to talk about is that handy dandy bar at the top. So if you have multiple blogs, it's really easy to switch. Just thought I'd throw that out there. Okay, first things first. This is our dashboard. It looks a little overwhelming, and we're just going to talk about the bare basics here, okay, just the bare minimum. So we're going to start off, we're going to scroll down a little bit here, and we are going to go set up our categories. And what we're going to do is for the category, we're going to put the student name in for each category. All right, that way it's easy for you to organize your blog or to find, let's say, Little Tommy's blog posts. Really easy for you to find that. So you click on posts, and there you're going to see categories. It's right below Add Now. And so I'm going to come over here and click Categories. And you're going to see the page change to Categories. Now it seems like, well, hey, I'm just going to type in my student's name right at the top. And sure, if you only have one class that's blogging, that's exactly what you do. But let's say you have multiple different classes. Like I have a grade 6 class and a grade 7 class. So I'm going to type in grade 6. I'm going to say create a new category. And then in the middle there, right below that, you're going to see where it says parent. And so what I can do is I can put all my students in that grade 6 class. I can put them in the parent category. Well, in that one parent category. And now I start typing in the student's name. So Tom, yeah, as you can see, I'm just going to there. And you can see that under grade 6, I've got my students. And now I'm going to make another parent category called grade 7. And I want to type in my grade 7 students. And as you can see, they're very nice and organized. Now that's great that you do that, and when they type a post, they just check their name, but you want to be able to add a function on the blog to where you can search it, or visitors can search it. So you go to Appearance and click on Widgets, and there you see Categories. Now, depending on your theme, that might already be there. You know, check the options you like and click Save, and it's added. So now we're going to talk about adding a post. So now that we've got things set up, let's add a post. Again, you click on Posts and you click Add New, type in a title, and you just type a song. It's got spell check. It's really, really, really handy. And then, like I said, you just type in, you put a check mark in the categories you want, and you click Publish. And boom, it publishes really quickly. Even with some images, it'll publish quickly, and it tells you the date it was published, and you know it's published because it says update right there. And so it lets people who have written it, they can update it, change it. Like say they want to add another section, they can do that. Now let's add our people to the blog. Let's add users. When you click on users, it takes you here, and as you can see, there's just me. Now what I'm going to do is just type in student's email address right there, and make sure they have a WordPress account, okay? And make them an author. That way they can write and publish on their own, but they can only do that to theirs. They won't have any access to anybody else's. And here's the blog real quick. And as you can see there at the bottom, there are my categories, and you can see, you know, real easy to go through. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.